Click on Sourcing. Applicants can be sourced using a number of different methods. Sourced directly, for example through social and business networking. Recruiting internally from within an organization. Through word of mouth. Posting advertisements on job boards. Through instructing recruitment agencies to source candidates on behalf of the recruiter. In this tutorial we will configure the campaign to use 3 different applicant sources. Direct. Publishing a job advertisement to the Indeed job board. And issuing an instruction to a recruitment agency called Selector Recruitment. HR Selector campaigns can support unlimited numbers of postings or instructions. All third-party sources are referred to as providers. Providers either allow postings or receive instructions. For each source, HR Selector will generate a unique link to the job application. The link will credit each provider with the applicants they source, allowing the recruiter to analyze and compare the effectiveness of each provider, and also compare them against the direct channels. The tutorial will show how unique links and email addresses are created for each of the sources. When the campaign was created, it automatically generated the direct source link to the job advertisement. The direct source link must only be given to applicants that have applied directly, for example through word of mouth or internally within the organization. Clicking on the email icon will prepare an email containing the link to be sent to directly sourced applicants. The directly sourced link must not be posted on job boards, or given to recruitment agencies. Click on Sourcing Setup. An advertisement for the role has been created using the vacancy setup information. Preview the advertisement by clicking on the View Advert icon. OK. The advertisement is configured using the Advert Setup settings, where elements and sections of the advertisements can be turned on or off. In this example we can click on Edit and uncheck the logo and strapline, as we have included an image that contains the company's logo and a title. Save. OK. Now when we preview the job advertisement, the 2 unchecked elements are not displayed. If any changes to the content of the job advertisement are needed, these can be made through the Campaign Setup's Vacancy menu option. Ensure that the job advertisement status is green, indicating that it is open for applications. Check that the applicant's close date gives enough time to source applicants, as no applications can be submitted after the date has expired. The application's close date can be extended through the Vacancy Setup edit or by editing and resetting the timeline. If a vacancy is inundated with applicants, the campaign can be temporarily or permanently closed to new applicants. Click on Providers. Here we will identify the providers that are going to be used. HR Selector provides a library containing details for a number of popular recruitment providers. To access the library, click on the Library Import icon. Scroll through the providers, or if you know the provider's name, click on Filter. Enter the name of the provider. Click on Search. Check the provider Indeed. Click on Import Selected. OK. Exit. Having selected a provider, we will create Indeed's unique link to the vacancy's application so that we can credit the provider with their applicants. As Indeed is a job board, we need to create a posting record. Check the provider record. Click on Create Posting icon. OK. Click on Postings. For the selected provider, HR Selector has generated Indeed's unique URL link to the job advertisement. Some providers allow the URL link to be included within the job advertisement as a clickable link, and some provide a separate field for the URL. Some charge extra to have a clickable link included, and some other providers disallow clickable links altogether. For those providers that disallow clickable links, or charge a premium, HR Selector provides an alternative method, which is a unique email address. Applicants that apply using the email address will receive an automatic response containing the provider's unique URL. Each provider will have their own method for making postings. We will demonstrate how to post a job advertisement using the Indeed job board. The process will need to be adapted for other providers. Before posting the job advertisement on Indeed, confirm that the link is active by selecting the link, right-clicking the mouse, and selecting Open Link in New Tab, or New Window. This will display the full advertisement. Click on the Start Application button at the bottom, and if it is working, this will display the vacancies application registration display. HR Selector would recommend that you complete and submit a test application. After confirming that the process is working correctly, you are ready to publish the advertisement on Indeed. Click on the Indeed link. Log in, or register as a recruiter. Click on Post a Job. Indeed requires the job title. Continue. Indicate the type of contract, and the salary range. Number of vacancies. Continue. We will cut and paste the information from the HR Selector generated job advert. Continue. We will use the HR Selector's postings unique email address as the Indeed vacancy application email address. We do not need the applicants to provide a CV through the Indeed job board, as a CV will be requested when they apply through the HR Selector portal. Continue. Click View Preview to view the job advertisement. The Indeed job board does not currently allow a clickable link to be included in their job advertisement postings. We have, however, included the generated URL link to the job advertisement as text. If an applicant prefers, instead of using the email address, they can cut and paste the link to a browser. Complete Indeed's final steps to complete the Indeed posting. After the Indeed posting has been published, click on Edit. Record the details of the provider's published advertisement. For easy reference, copy the provider's job advertisement link into the advertisement link field. Set the job advertisement's publication start and finish dates. Change the status to active. Enter the provider's costs. Click Save. Click OK. We will now add the recruitment agency as a provider. Click on Providers. As our example recruitment agency is local, it will not be listed in the HR Selector library of providers. Instead, click on Add New. Enter the agency's details. Save. OK. To create the added provider's unique link, select the provider, create instruction. OK. An instruction has been created. Click on Instructions. Click on the provider's edit icon. The agency's terms and conditions should be agreed up front. Include or add a reference to the full terms. If an agency fee is applicable, enter the rate. Save. OK. Using the percentage rate, the minimum and maximum commission for the vacancy's specified salary range will be calculated. Click on the instruction letter preview icon. The letter contains the unique link that the recruiting agent's applicants must use in order that they be credited with the submitted applications. Click on the email icon to send the instruction to the provider. OK. Confirmation that an email has been sent will be displayed. Click on Overview. A summary of the sourcing information will be displayed showing forecast costs. Click on Providers. The two third-party providers will be displayed along with metrics showing usage, views and number of applications sourced from each source. Note that when using the import, there is the option to create the posting and/or instruction when selecting providers from the library. Check the Create Posting and/or Create Instruction. When clicking on Import selected, if checked, Postings and instructions will be created automatically.